Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Rida. Welcome back to another video. So I've created here a index.html file and this video is going to be based on listen HTML. So definitely you want to know about lists that how it works, how many types of lists are there in HTML. So I'll be telling you all those things completely. Stay tuned. So let us start. There are basically there are basically two types of lists and what they are. First is first is unordered and second is ordered ordered list. First is unordered list and second is ordered list. So let us check that how it is going to work. So unordered list, we indicate unordered list with UL. U for unordered and L for list. When you write UL, it Amit abbreviation will suggest you this tag. You just have to simply click on it and there will be a UL tag which will appear here. Now inside a UL we are going to write LI and LI refers to list item basically. When you click on it, it will generate these two tags. First opening tag, second is closing tag. And now we'll be writing here a home and then about the basic navigation tabs that we have in so many navigation bars in several websites, in several web pages. And then we can also add a contact. So we have created a list here which is an unordered list and I'll be showing you the ordered list also. Stay tuned just. So you can clearly see here that here it is showing bullets for list home, about, and contact. As it is unordered list, that is why it is not showing some particular number like 1 2 3 or ABC. It is just showing bullet because it is unordered. There is no order specific in this list. So I hope you understand this unordered list. Now let us add a heading here that unordered unordered lists unordered list. Okay, now we'll be seeing a ordered list, and to add a order list in a web page we'll be simply writing OL. O stands for ordered and L stands for list. When we'll be clicking here, it will generate a tag and inside that we have to add list items. Basically UL and OL wrap up the list items because they are a list and inside a list there are some list items. So here I'll add the same thing as above. Li contact, li about, alt shift F. There is a tip here from my side that if you're going to press alt shift and F from your keyboard, the code here will automatically format in a very best manner. Now I'll be pressing Alt Z to keep text in one window as it is overflowing here and there is a scroll bar, so take steps also. So that was all about list. We have unordered list, we have ordered list. We can also style the bullets of these ordered and unordered list. Let me show you how. In We'll be putting a style tag here, and now I'll selecting list style type, list style. Why it is, oh, I have to select first. I have to select UL, OL, and then LI. Basically, it indicates that in UL there is an li, comma. In OL there is also an li. Then select all those and list style, list style type. That the list style type of those will be a circle, a decimal, a disk. If I am going to set a disk, let's see what is happening. The ordered list is also converted to the disk because I've selected OL and UL both. Now what I'm going to do, I'll be doing like this, and we will be selecting and something different from here like circle. See changings here that disk is disappeared from them, and inside UL where is unordered list, they are list item. We have selected that first and then we have set list style type circle, and it has set our bullets to circle. Also we can add list style position. List style position means if you wanna add on inside or outside. Now by default it is outside. When I've set it inside, see that it is it is a little bit right. It has been moved a little bit right from left side. Now let me show you that odd outside. When I've done outside, it came to its previous position, but when I am doing it inside, see how it works. It is a little bit moving from the left part. Okay, now moving on to styling OL, ordered list and list item inside the ordered list. List style type. Now we have some lists here that alpha Greek, alpha numeric, alpha Latin, lower Roman. So I was selecting here lower Roman, and let's see. You can clearly see here that they come a Roman counting here 1, 2, and 3. We can also set something other than Roman. Let me show you. Uh, Armenian. Armenian is showing like this. So better select anything else. Georgian, lower alpha. We can also select lower alpha. So pretty good. So you can style your list like this. So that was all. There are two types: unordered list, ordered list. We can style your list items. We can set the position. We can style that. By default is disk. By default it is number. I've changed it from disk to circle. I've changed it from number to low alpha. Also to the Roman. I've showed you earlier that. So that was all from my side. If you want to know more about it, do tell me in the comment section. I'll definitely make a more detailed video on it. Also, I'll add the proper styling to it so that will elaborate more to you. Thanks for watching.